Moment of truth. Let's do it.
Oh!
Got real quiet.
It's dead. Oh, look. Oh, wait, no, it's just boot cycling.
Okay. I was gonna say, oh, no way. One fan RGB turned on in the front, so we did something wrong. We didn't plug in the header.
Oh, there we go.
Man! Let's go, dude. I was like so scared for a second. Oh my god. Whew. Let's get into testing this bad boy. All right, cool. We almost have it. It's like
Let me get it.
You got it? You got it? Okay.
Plug in this cable.
There we go. I think. There you go.
There we go. I take all the credit for this.
Okay, buddy.